Alright, welcome to part 2 in this series. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a pretty serious problem that we have in Spanish, the simple solution that we can employ to solve it, and then a final test at the end, just to make sure that you've truly understood it. So let's begin. The problem we have is get and got. We use these two little words all the time in English, yet there is no verb in Spanish to get. So we have a top 10 verb in English with no equivalent in Spanish. So let me show you what to do about this. The solution lies in one single sound, me. So we're going to let this work its magic. The verb to anger is enojar. And if we take that verb and add on the pronoun of me, we get enojarme. Now, enojarme means to anger myself. So here we are making this verb work reflexively. Enojarme. But to the ears of a native Spanish speaker, this will be understood as to get angry. So this is where the magic change comes in with that pronoun. Do you remember the sound for I'm going to? Voy a. So how would you say I'm going to get angry? Voy a enojarme. Another example could be to hurt or to injure. The verb is lastimar. Now, if we repeat that same process, we add on our pronoun of me, we get lastimarme, which means to hurt or to injure myself. And this changes the meaning now to get hurt. So how would you say I'm going to get hurt? Voy a lastimarme. The verb to worry is preocupar. Again, we will add on the pronoun of me. So the sound becomes preocuparme, literally meaning to worry myself, but this will be understood as to get worried. How would you say I'm going to get worried? Voy a preocuparme. How would you say I'm not going to get worried? No voy a preocuparme. Let's do one more example before we go into our test. The verb to frustrate is frustrar. We add on our pronoun of me, so the sound becomes frustrarme, which literally means to frustrate myself, but stands for to get frustrated. How would you say I'm going to get frustrated? Voy a frustrarme. Alright, so next up is our test. If you'd like to download the course books for all my YouTube lessons and get a free account on Spanish with Paul, simply click the link in the description box below this video or visit SpanishWithPaul.com. You can also subscribe to my channel and get a free lesson from me every Monday. Let's run our test. We're going to be working with the 4 examples we've just been through. So, enojarme, to get angry. Lastimarme, to get hurt. Preocuparme, to get worried. Frustrarme, to get frustrated. If you need to pause this slide for a minute just to memorize those, do it now. For this test, I'm going to assume that you've already been through and completed my 10-part mini course series on YouTube. So we're going to combine the information from that with this lesson. Now, if you haven't been through the course, I've left a link to it in the description box below. So now, let's begin. How would you say, I don't want to get angry with you? No quiero enojarme contigo. I'm going to tell him that I can't do it because I don't want to get hurt. Voy a decirle que no puedo hacerlo porque no quiero lastimarme. I'm going to get frustrated if I can't finish it today. Voy a frustrarme si no puedo terminarlo hoy. I know that I shouldn't get worried so easily. Sé que no debería preocuparme tan fácil. It's not important, and I know that I shouldn't get angry like this. No es importante, y sé que no debería enojarme así. I know that I can get hurt, but I have to try. Sé que puedo lastimarme, pero tengo que intentar. I can get frustrated if I don't have enough time to myself. Puedo frustrarme si no tengo suficiente tiempo para mí. I don't want to get angry with you, but it's urgent and I have to speak with her. No quiero enojarme contigo, pero es urgente y tengo que hablar con ella. She needs to tell me soon, otherwise I'm going to get worried. Necesita decirme pronto, si no, voy a preocuparme. I know that I shouldn't get frustrated, but it's difficult when nobody wants to help me and I have to do everything myself. Sé que no debería frustrarme, pero es difícil cuando nadie quiere ayudarme y tengo que hacerlo todo yo mismo. Try repeating the test if you got some things wrong. If you've been through the mini course, that probably didn't give you too much trouble. Don't forget to like and leave a comment if you found the video helpful, and I'll see you all again next Monday.